Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and George the Giraffe is here with us again, and today we're looking at this, which should hopefully be issue number 244 of the ImagineFX magazine for November 2024. It just popped through my letterbox this morning, and I wasn't expecting it because I thought it was next week, so it was quite exciting. But what I do on these is I just go through, unbox the issue and have a look at it for the first time. And so I'm going through the 2024 ones, and these are the ones we've had so far. And my favourite covers are those two. And then, oh, that's a nice one as well. Yeah, that's a nice. I've got a few little things to say first. ImagineFX, actually, because what happened was this one here got lost in the post. So what happens when that happens is you don't get the subscriber cover, but they actually sent me the subscriber cover. I couldn't believe it. Thank you. It's like, it's cool, isn't it? That's one of that was such a beautiful thing. So that's like one of my top. These are my 3 favourite covers now. These ones. So what I'm going to do is, George the Giraffe is going to get us in. Oh, and also I've got an art book here. I've just picked an art book up from Amazon. Look at this, look. I haven't looked inside yet. I'm going to do a video of this very soon. It's by the artist Wataboku. Well, I've got one of his other art books. He's brilliant, he is. But George is going to get us in. The first question is this one going to be as beautiful as these 3 covers? I don't think so. He's stuck. Look, he's stuck. George has got stuck. They use very good glue on it now. This is very exciting, this is. Oh, he's going to lose his fur, look. Yeah. I always get excited. This is my most exciting bit, this is. Seeing what the cover looks like. Shh. What colour do you reckon it is? It looks like it's a blue one. Oh, yeah. Look, I love the covers. I love it when you get like a face. Look how beautiful these covers are. This is perfect portraits, this one's all about. Look at the way they've done the brush strokes there, look, with like the, that's cool, that is. The artist is Alvaro Escobar. I feel like this is how amazing this year has been for covers. This one's probably not going to make the top 3. How mad is that? It's probably like the 4th or 5th best cover. I like that one as well. So many beautiful covers. So this one's all about portraits. So this is going to be very interesting, this is. I like it as well when you get the a basic cover, because it allows the character to pop. That's cool. Look, I like the way they've done these little clouds as well. In we go. Little Robbie gets a kiss. That looks like a nice art studio. Step inside a horror artist's workspace. This one's quite sort of floaty like feeling. Look. Normally it's quite easy to bend those back, but that looks nice. That looks really nice, that does. That's the sketchbook. That looks nice as well. And these two look nice as well. It looks like we've got a nice-ish. The next one, Meet the Rising Stars of 2024. Ink colourful manga artwork, look. There's going to be a little bit of manga as well. He looks funny. Yeah, look, there's been beautiful covers this year. Oh yeah. Look, FXPosé. Artist called Pepper from Romania. How cool's that? I like that one. Yeah, I know. I like that one. I want that one. Look at this, look. I like that pose. That's cool. That reminds me of Jet Set Radio. Video game. That's brilliant. Look at that. Yay, little characters, look. Fun little characters. That is cool. Look, we've got like really sort of technical and then very simple. Lots of fun in these ones. God, these are good as well. I keep saying this, but this FXPosé section has really sort of like found itself, I think. It's just become beautiful. Oh look, another beautiful one. Daria Windemasker. Look at that, look. Oh, look at that as well. Look at this one. I like the feeling of that one as well. Absolutely beautiful. Look at him, look, he's got his tongue out. Sticking his tongue out, he is. What a lovely shape. Look, her face is a lovely shape. That's cool. And then look, and then we've got like a really scary John Waters. Look at the way that goes into complete darkness, look. That is proper creepy, that one. Oh, and a beautiful one here, look. Zimmy. I like the feeling of the hair there. Rockies! The path to the top at video games. Video game artist. Hey, look, all these little video games here, look. I wonder if it's fun working at a video game art studio, or if you end up like if it's quite boring, because you might end up having to draw things you don't really like doing. That looks nice, that page. I like that one. Artist in residence. This is the art studio, look. Gigi Murakami. I like his hair. This one feels different than normal. I like the way the whole page is one image. Oh, it might be a little lady. I love that hairstyle. Hey look, I watched that the other day, Pulp Fiction. That is such a cool room, isn't it, with these little I like that artist. Look, they do comic covers. Yeah, that feels like a very cosy art space. Little letters here, look. Got cool looking eyes. Sort of like a naughty look. Creative strength in community. Yeah, when I see that, I feel anxious. Seeing lots of people, I just feel anxious. I don't know, it's a bit sad really. Yay! Look, Yong Nam Kim's sketchbook. That is cool. I like the shapes of these. They're really fun, playful shapes. Look at the way you can feel the horse like moving. I want to express for an interesting animation. There must be concept artists. It's very cool. Huh, look. That's funny. Yeah, I like the motion in these as well. And to look at that, look. It's mad, isn't it? Yeah, I like the look in those eyes. Oh, look. Flips it around. That's Procreate, isn't it? Yeah, Procreate. Oh, that's interesting. So what, they did it and then they put those lines in afterwards. Develop the facial texture with hatching. That's quite interesting. Look. He's a wizard. I wonder why he's got his fingers like that. Look, he's got his fingers like that. Why do you think he's done that? Because they must have done that on purpose. That's not really a normal pose, is it? I don't think I've ever made that gesture, like hand thing before. Can you do that? Look, can you do that? Nah. I like doing that. You can do it with both hands as well, but I like epic RPG covers. Because I was thinking this reminds me of Gauntlet, an 80s video game. Push colours while painting. That's a fun one. Look, the same colour palette but completely different sort of feelings. Oh yeah, look, I like that. I like it like that. Oh, I wonder why they decided to take the tree out. That tree being there. Yeah, I would have left it like that. No, I would have left it. Look, they're talking here about worth revisiting the composition to push the atmosphere up a notch. But I think that tree being there, it actually adds a sort of like a degree of mystery or something. Use soft shapes. I love the feeling of this one. Yeah, that's an artist I'd like to look into. Like, 12 tips to develop your characters. Cool characters here, look. Brian, Weisz. Oh, this is fun. PlayStation. Decisive shapes. Look at that, look. That's cool. Yeah, these are proper characters, these are. These are proper characters. See what I mean? It's on a white background and yet it's absolutely popping. Plan out your composition. They're weird characters. Look into the Traditional, oh cool. Red Sonja, isn't it? Queen of Hell. Silent Siren. These are interesting, aren't they? What have they done with? Ink, Copic, pencil, acrylic, gouache, watercolour and oils. They've used everything on that. That's nice. Look at that, look. I wonder how big that is. Yeah. What size do you reckon that's? I'd like to see that in person. Draw fascinating symbolic artwork. Graphite pencils, isn't it? Yeah, it went round with pen. And we end with the first impressions, which is always funny. Do you know what? I think that is actually my favourite issue of the year for the contents. FXPosé was beautiful, the whole thing. Apart from that, which is a monster. But I feel like, yeah, this is just cool, this one. I hope you enjoyed that. Here's a look at issue number 244 of the ImagineFX magazine for November 2024. I also love the way they've done that spine as well. Something really beautiful about this blue colour. But I hope you enjoyed that, and I shall see you later for another one.